Let's create a data source for our print materials. We're going to produce a Google Sheet. This is how it works. Each column corresponds to a variable, and each row corresponds to a variation. This first data source will cover print materials, i.e. OOH window posters and 8-sheet billboards. First things first, we'll need the layout variable so that GraFx Studio knows which layout or layouts it needs to generate. So let's open the template and look at the variables panel to identify what variables we're going to need. For the OOH window poster, that's going to be services, lifestyle, headline, CTA, QR code link, and disclaimer. Now, let's label our columns and then fill out these fields to create our first variation. Since we're using GraFx Media as our media connector, we're going to fill out the lifestyle column with the name of the lifestyle image we need for each variation. If this was a different type of media connector, we might need to use the image ID instead. Alright, now let's create a few more. Our OOH window poster variations are done. Let's move on to our billboard. Again, open the template and display the billboard layout and identify the variables needed. That's going to be services, lifestyle, headline, and disclaimer. Let's go back to our Google Sheet and indicate which layout we're going to need and fill out the fields for the billboard's variables only. Notice that the CTA and QR code link are not part of the variables visible on the billboard, so we're just going to leave these fields blank. That's it. We've created our first data source.